Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform Report Builder. This is an incredibly useful feature for anyone collecting data through forms, as it allows you to transform your raw submissions into visually appealing, easy-to-understand reports. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your forms and data are stored. Next, look toward the upper left corner of the page and click on My Workspace. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select My Forms. This section houses all the forms you've created or have access to, making it easy to manage your data collection tools in one place. Now navigate through your list of forms and find the specific form you want to create a report for. Once you've located it, check the box beside the form name to select it. With the form selected, look at the top of the page where you'll see various action buttons. Click on Reports, and from the drop-down that appears, select Add New Report. This is where you'll begin building your customized report. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to choose a report type. Click on Visual Report to proceed. Visual reports allow you to incorporate charts, images, and other elements that make your data more engaging and easier to interpret. You'll now see a field labeled Report Name. Type in a name that clearly identifies what this report will cover. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple reports across different forms. Below the name field, you'll be asked to choose a report type. Select blank if you want to start from scratch and have full control over the design and layout of your report. Once you've made your selection, click the Create button at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the Report Builder canvas where you can start designing your report. On the left panel, you'll see a variety of elements you can add, including text, image, chart, and grid. Simply drag any of these elements from the left panel onto the canvas to begin building your report layout. After placing an element on the canvas, click the gear icon that appears on that element. This opens the customization options for that specific component. You'll notice that a right panel appears, allowing you to edit the element's properties, such as data source, style, size, and other settings. Take your time here to ensure each element displays exactly what you need. Once you've finished designing your report, click Preview in the top right corner of the screen. This will show you how your report looks as a slideshow, giving you a clear view of the final product before publishing. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your report live. Your Jotform report is now ready to share or embed wherever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.